Good morning to one and all. I welcome you all for the today's morning session. I am Professor Raju Patil, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Angli Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. So today I will be discussing about drilling machines. Okay. So first of all, I have already I have discussed the remaining types of drilling machines. So today we'll be discussing about radial drilling machine. Okay. So you all can see the sketch here. Okay, and it is mentioned. Okay, base, column. It consists of base, column, radial arm, motor for elevating the radial arm, elevating screw, guide ways for drill head, motor for driving the drill spindle, drill head, drill spindle, work table. Okay, all this is the construction of radial drilling machine. Okay, so first of all, we'll discuss about base. It is a large rectangular casting that is finished on its top to support a column on its one end and to hold the work table at the other end. Okay, and second one, that is column. Column is a cylindrical casting that is mounted vertically at one end of the base. It supports the radial arm, which may slide up and down on its face. Okay, up and down on its face. Okay, an electric motor is mounted on the top of the, okay, an electric motor, that is, you can see the electric motor which is mounted here. This is the electric motor mounted on the top of the column, which imparts vertical adjustment of the arm by rotating a screw passing through a nut attached to arm. Radial arm, next one, that is radial arm, third one, is mounted on a column which extends. Okay, which extends here. This is the radial arm which extends horizontally over base. It is a massive casting with its front vertical face accurately machined to provide guideways on which drill head may be made to slide. The arm way may be swung round the column. In some machines, this movement is controlled by separate motor. Okay. Next comes the drill head. Okay. You all can see this is the drill head. Okay. Drill head is mounted on a radial arm and drives the drill spindle, encloses all mechanisms for driving drill at multiple speeds and at different feed. All the mechanisms and controls are housed within a small drill head, which may be made to slide on guideways of arm for adjusting position of the drill spindle with respect to the work. Next, the working of this radial drilling machine. Okay, workpiece is mounted on the table on which the work is uh, on which on or when the work is very large, it may be placed on the floor or a pit. Okay, then the position of the arm and drill head is altered so that the drill may be pointed exactly on location where the hole is to be drilled. When several holes are to be drilled on a large workpiece, the drill head is moved from one position to another after drilling hole without altering setting the work. Okay, versatility of machine allows to work on a large workpieces. Okay, next we'll be discussing about gang drilling machine. So in this, almost you all can see the gang drilling machine here. Here is the gang drilling machine. We'll be discussing about gang drilling machine. In this almost single purpose of more productive drilling machines, a number of spindles, you all can see the number of spindles here. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, these are the number of spindles, more than one. Okay, number of spindles with drills in a row are made to produce number of holes progressively through the jig. Okay, next we'll be discussing about multiple spindle drilling machine. Okay, in this high production machine, large number of drills work concurrently on a blank through a jig specially made for particular work. Entire drilling head works repeatedly using the same jig for batch or lot production. The rotation of drills are derived from the main spindle and center gear through a number of planetary gears in mesh with the central gear and the corresponding flexible shafts. Okay, you can see this. Okay, the positions of those parallel shafts holding drills are adjusted depending upon the locations of the holes to be made on the job. Okay, each shaft possesses a telescopic part and two universal joints. Okay, telescopic part, and you can see this telescopic part. Okay, universal joints at its ends to allow its change in length and orientation respectively. For adjustment of the location of drills of varying size and length, in some heavy duty multi-spindle drilling machines, work table is raised to give feed motion instead of moving the heavy drilling head. Okay, next we will be discussing about deep hole drilling machine. Very deep holes of L by D ratio 6 to even 30 required for pipe, rifle barrels, long spindles, oil holes in shaft bearings, connecting rods, etc. are very difficult to make for slenderness of drills and difficulties in cutting fluid applications and chip removal. Such drilling cannot be done in ordinary drilling machines and by using ordinary drills. It needs machines like this deep hole drilling machine, such as gun drilling machines with horizontal axis on vertical axis. Machines are provided with high spindle speed, high rigidity, tool guide, pressurized cutting oil for effective cooling, chip removal and lubrication at drill tip. Okay, so next we'll be discussing about turret type drilling machine. Okay, turret drilling machine is, you all can see this turret drilling machine. Turret drilling machine is structurally rigid column type drilling machine, but is more productive like gang drill machine by having a pentagon or hexagon turret. The turret holds a number of drills and similar tools is indexed and moved up and down to perform quickly the desired series of operations progressively. These drilling machines are available with varying degree of automation for both fixed and flexible time. Okay. Thank you for the today's session. If you have any doubts, you can call me for any queries. Thank you.